Driving.
Ah, shut your eyes.
No, that would give me car sick.
That's how you're doing. Look at those pretty flowers. Yep.
That was a piece of wood. I'm really glad you didn't hit it.
Yep. Imagine a thick like my shoulder branch and going over in a coupe.
Yikes.
My Chrysler 300M. Me and Michael's. What was that? What did I just hit? We were going around a blind corner and I couldn't see it in the shade.
So that's why you slowed down.
I was going 30. I still didn't see it.
Did it break anything?
Surprisingly, no. I didn't even dent the wood.
Wow.
So I picked it up and put it in the trunk. I think Michael repurposed it up at the farm too. Probably.
Might have you have two hands.
Then you're gonna have to let go of my hand. Never said I'd let go of your hand.
Uh-oh.
Well, we're not turning around for it. Joking. Your window doesn't open.